Okay, I'm just leaving Home Depot. Looks like the total price came out to $22.69. So I got one 1x4x8 for each air conditioner, and then I got 2-inch sheetrock screws, and then I just got a pack of 1/4-inch screws to screw it into the AC unit. Okay, so I just screwed this 2x4 to this white piece that sticks up right here. Okay, so the next piece I'm thinking is probably gonna go like that. And I'm doing this way rather than this way so it doesn't block the fan. All right, so this is the final product. All right, so I put the wood a little too low. It's blocking the fan. All right, there it is. I'm still using the window frame, and there's a gap that I may have to fill right here and put some nails in here, but it's just kind of a second security measure. Okay, that's it.